Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we're going to draw and color a cute cat and a dog. Let's start drawing. At first I will show you how to draw a cat. I start with its cute eyes, its nose, and its little mouth. Now I draw the shape of her head and her triangular ears. Now I draw her body. She is going to sit. These are her front legs and her little paws. I also draw her other legs. And her long tail. Finally, I add some patches here. And also on his chest. How cute! Now I'll show you how to draw a dog. Start with his cute eyes, his oval-shaped nose, and his mouth with his tongue out. I draw the shape of his head with his two long ears on both sides of his head. Which one do you like more, the cat or the dog? I love them both. They are very cute. First, I draw his front legs. He is also going to sit. And then his back legs. Finally, his tail. Let's draw a heart here. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to use this pink marker for the nose and inner ears of our cute kitten. I color her furry body with this gray marker. The cats can be of various colors like brown, black, white, or even mixed. So you can color yours as you want. I leave his patches white. Now let's color the puppy. I color his tongue light red. I'm going to use this dark brown marker. I colored the rest of his body with this lighter shade of brown. The dogs can also be of various colors, so you can choose your favorite and let your imagination fly. I use red for the heart. Really good. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.